Haryana farmers are moving towards prosperity, getting highest price for crops in the holy country. Success of the country is not possible without the prosperity of farmers. Haryana is the first state in the country where all crops are purchased at the minimum support price (MSP), and the Haryana government is continuously working to increase the income of farmers. Farmers can earn even more profit by working with the cooperative department. Dr. Arvind Sharma, cooperative Pigeon Heritage and Tourism Minister of the state, said this while addressing the district level Kisan Samman organized in Charkhi Dadri. Addressing the farmers present in the program organized in the field of the Agriculture Department office, he said that farmers are being provided benefits under various schemes of the government and positive efforts are being made to provide them benefits through all the departments related to the farmers. Today, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi is releasing an installment of 22,000 crore to the farmers of the country under the PM Kisan Samman Yojana. The central and Haryana governments are continuously making efforts with positive thinking for the prosperity of the farmers. He said that due to the expansion of families, the land holdings are decreasing today compared to early, due to which the profit of farming is also divided. In such a situation, various schemes have been implemented by the government by adopting which profits can be increased by innovating in farming. Natural farming is also such an innovation and it also needed now. Its special thing is that the yield not decrease it. The price of the natural products is also higher than common products. Cooperation Minister said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi wants to develop the country by the year 2047. Farmers of the country will have the biggest contribution in the work. The Prime Minister is working day and night to increase the income of the farmers of the country. The credit of reviving the coarse grains like bajra, jawar also goes to the Prime Minister. Today, bajra, khichdi, churma and soup are available even foreign countries. The Prime Minister has the coarse grains of entire country famous in the world. He said that work that the Prime Minister is doing to make the farmers of the country prosperous cannot be done by anyone else. He said that now every grain is being purchased at MSP in Haryana. Not only this, in the manifold purchase of crops in also being sent to the farmers' accounts on time. The price of sugarcane Haryana is the highest in the entire country. He said that all the employees and officers should be aware of every scheme of the government so that it can be implemented a better way and more eligible can get its benefits. Welcome everyone in the program. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that today more than 70,000 farmers of the district are getting the amount of the 19th installment of PM Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana. He said that farmers should try to increase their income by taking advantage of the government schemes. During this, certificates were distributed to the beneficiaries of the Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana and soil health cards were distributed to the various farmers. On this occasion, BJP District President Kiran Kalkal, Municipal Council Chairman Bakshiram Sani, Rajesh Banti, SDM Ashish Sangwan, CTM Jitendra Kumar along with farmers of the district and under dignitaries were present. Samadhan camp started by Haryana government are a boon for people. Citizens' problems are being resolved on the spot in the camps. Pupil complaints are being resolved on the spot through Samadhan camps started on the instructions of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini. These camps are actually providing relief to the people and are no less than a boon for the citizens. On Monday, Samadhan camp was organized under the chairmanship of SDM Ashish Sangwan and instructions were issued to resolve complaints on the spot. He said that the system started by the Haryana government in the form of Samadhan camp is unique in itself. Under this system, officials of all departments are present at one place, due to which the problem coming in the camp are resolved on the spot and people do not have to go to different places. This system has not only provided relief to the people, but the complaints coming in various departments are also being resolved soon, which has reduced the workload in those departments. Take advantage of the subsidy loan schemes of Mahila Vikas Nigam. The Haryana government has started a subsidy loan scheme for widows through the Haryana Mahila Vikas Nigam to make the self-reliant and improve their economic and social status, especially widows, divorced and legally separated women in rural and urban areas can benefit from it. Under the Haryana Mahila Vikas Nigam, arrangements have been made to provide loans up to 3 lakhs to eligible women through banks, which women can become self-reliant by starting their own work. The district manager of Haryana Vikas Nigam said that under this scheme, women who are permanent residents of Haryana and whose annual income is less than 3 lakh are eligible for this scheme. At the time of applying for the loan, the age of the women entrepreneur should be between 18 to 60 years. The applicant should not be a defaulter of any previous loan. Under the scheme, on payment of installments on time, 100% maximum 50,000 interest subsidy amount for 3 years will be given by the Haryana government through Haryana Women Development Corporation. This scheme includes e-rickshaw, taxi, tailoring, boutique, beauty parlor, photocopy shop, papad making, food stall, pickle making, confectionery shop, biscuit making, handloom and ice cream making unit, etc. To apply, the office of the Women Development Corporation at house number 124, Vikas Nagar, behind Sabji Mandi, Rohtak Gate, Bhiwani, can be contacted in this office. Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal, take care, bye, see ya.